challenge natin ngayon ay all answers starts with letter H. Okay? Okay! Panalo ng 200 pesos. Ito muna, Heart. Makinig. A type of aircraft which derives both lift and propulsion from one or more sets of horizontally revolving overhead rotors. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1,
English ba dapat kaya?
0. O English nga, all answers starts with letter H. Ano ba yun?
Heather.
Header, mali. 5, 4, 3, hindi alam. A type of aircraft which derives both lift and propulsion from one or more sets of horizontally revolving overhead rotors. 5, 4, madali lang yan. 3, 2,
Helicopter.
ha?
Helicopter.
Helicopter, tama. Makinig. Squeeze someone tightly in one arms. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Madali lang yan. 0. Mag-guess kayo guys. Hindi alam. Next. 5, 4. Squeeze someone tightly in one arms. 5, 4. Ha?
Holding.
Mali.
Hand.
Ha? Hand. Mali.
Holding hands.
Mali. 5. Ikaw. 5, 4, 3. Hindi alam. Hindi alam. Squeeze someone tightly in one arms. 5, 4, 3, 2. Hindi alam. Ha? Hand. Mali nga. Squeeze someone tightly in one arms. 5, 4, 3, 2. Hindi alam.
Hug.
Hug. Tama. Hug. Next. A vital fish-sized muscular organ that acts as a pump within your circulatory system. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Heart.
Ano? Tama, nakahabol pa. Heart. 200. Nakahabol pa. 200. Sasagot na si Chris eh. Sayang.
Sa gilid eh.
The upper part of the human body or the front or upper part of the body of an animal. The upper part of the human body or the front or upper part of the body of an animal. Or lang yun. Or 5, 4,
Or animal.
3,
Upper part.
2,
Head.
ha?
Head.
Head, tama.
Ba yun?
200. Okay. The small mammal with short limbs and the body low to the ground. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ha? Mali. Next. 5, 4, 3,
Body.
2, 1, 0. Maghula kayo. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hindi alam.
Hen.
Ano?
Hen.
Hen?
Hen.
Hen, manok. Next. Human. A small mammal with short limbs and the body low to the ground. 5. Hindi alam. Hippopotamus.
Small na. Short eh.
Ha? Mali. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Sigbin. Letter H. Mali. Go. Heart. 5, 4, 3,
Sa dulo ng dila ko.
2. Ano yun? Nasa dulo din lang. Wala, di alam. Last kay Angel na. Ay, kay Chris. 5, 4, 3. Di alam. Chris, last sa'yo. Manghula. 5, 4, 3.
Habitats.
Mali. Tamang sagot ay hedgehog. Hedgehog. Malapit na kay hamster. Hedgehog. A shape covering for the head. Worn for warmth. As a fashion item or as a part of uniform.
I know.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Mali. Next. Go.
Hat.
Tama. 200.
Kala ko helmet.
Ito, madali din to. Feeling or displaying the need for food. 5, 4, 3,
Food.
2, 1, 0. Mali na. Next.
Hungry.
Hungry.
Nagugutom na.
Nagugutom.
Nagugutom ka na.
Dali lang to. Ash. A culture bearing primate classified in the genus Homo, especially the species H. Human. Okay. 200. Next. A state of good well-being encompassing complete physical, mental, and social well-being, not just the absence of disease. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Ano? Mali! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Oh, next.
Ulit ano? Ulit tanong. Sige na, please.
Oh, ulitin natin. State of good well-being encompassing complete physical, mental, and social well-being, not just the absence of disease. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yun lang. 5, 4, 3, 2,
Healthy.
okay, tama. 200. Healthy. Kulang yung kay Ron ng Y. Health lang eh. Healthy dapat, healthy. Okay. Next. The quality of being amusing or comic, especially as expressed in literature or speech. 5, 4, 3, 2, hindi alam. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Nalugaw na.
Hair?
Hair, mali. Ikaw. Head? Anong head?
Ano ang question ko?
The quality of being amusing or comic, especially as expressed in literature or speech. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Hindi alam. Next.
Tama. Hearing?
Hearing, mali. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hindi alam. 5, 4, 3. Hindi alam. Maghula kayo, guys. Harmony. Ikaw. Alam, oh. Ikaw. Ha? Anong mouth? Letter H nga eh. Last kay Heart. Last ba kay Heart? Last kay Heart. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Mali, di alam. Wala dito sa pila si Jan. Ano ba si Jan? Malakas ang humor. Feel intense or passionate dislike for someone. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Sa word pa lang na dislike eh. Feel intense or passionate dislike for someone. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. No. Mali. Next. Ikaw. May ka. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hurt?
Ano?
Hurt?
Mali.
Hate?
Hate. Tama. Hate. 200. Hate. Okay. Swerte mo na lang. Dali lang nito. A person who is admired, idealized for courage, outstanding achievements, or noble qualities. Madali lang yan. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Wala na. Nablank ko na. Ikaw. Oh, mali. 5, 4. A person who is admired or idealized for courage, outstanding, or achievements, or noble qualities. 5. Ha? Ano? Human, mali na yun. 5, 4, 3. Heart, mali.
Horror.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Person nga eh. Person. Ha? Mali, mali.
His. His.
Mali nga. Ikaw. 5, 4. Intindihin nyo yung tanong eh. 3,
Yun nga,
Oh.
di na maintindihan.
1. Zero. Last na kay ano? Last na kay April. Pakinggan mo ha. A person who is admired, idealized for courage, outstanding achievements, for noble or qualities. Noble qualities. 5, 4, 3, 2. Mali. Ang tama sagot ay hero. 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 The systematic study of the human past, analyzing past events, human societies, and the change that have occurred over time to explain how the past shaped the present and can inform the future. History, oh, alam na mo. 200. Next. Alam na alam nyo to, ginagawa natin to lagi. Araw-araw. Oh, okay? Ng lahat ng tao. An onomatopoeia that represents the sounds of laughter, indicating amusement or humor in written communication. 5, 4, 3, galam. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3. Happy. Mali, happy. 5, 4. Mali, H nga, uy. CJ, H. Kanina, sagot mo M lang, L. Ikaw. 5, 4. Ulitin ko na naman. An onomatopoeia that represent the sound
Sound.
of laughter. Ano? Tama. Ha, ha, ha. Ha, ha. 200. Ha, ha, ha. A fictional character appearing in American comic books published by Marvel Comics. 5, 4, 3, 2. Ano? Ano? Hook! Si Hook. Kailangan ko nang gawin sa inyo to. Pakinggan nyo lang. A tool with a heavy head fixed to handle used to deliver an impact to strike, shake, or break objects. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Ay! Hammer! Next. Makinig, April. Paborito nyo to.
Uy, buldak yan.
A round patty of ground beef, fried or grilled, and typically served on a bun or roll and garnished with various condiments. Hamburger, tama. 200. Looking exhausted and unwell, especially from fatigue, worry, or suffering. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Madali lang inala. Help, muli.
Okay.
Pakinggan nyo lang, looking exhausted and unwell, especially from fatigue, worry, or suffering. 5, 4, 3, pas. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hydrated. 5. Head hurts. Over. Ay, ikaw. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hindi alam. Heart, go. 5, 4. Ha? Mali. Heart. 5. Looking exhausted and unwell, especially from fatigue, worry, or suffering. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go.
Look at my face. Hungry?
Mali. Look, 5, 4. Sino last?
Ako.
Okay, 5.
Headache.
Headache, mali.
Haggard.
Haggard, tama. 200. Haggard. Next. A piece of headgear
Uy.
designed to protect the wearer's head from injury caused by impacts, blows, or falling objects.
Helmet.
Helmet, tama.
Kanina niya pa
Madali lang to. Make it easier for someone to do something by offering one service or resources. Help. Oy, help. 200. Oh, last two. Having or showing a modest estimate of one's value or important. One's value or important, ha? Not arrogant or self-important. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Hindi alam. Ikaw.
Masagot.
Wala masagot. Manghula na lang. 5, 4,
Hindi ko sana.
3, 2, 1. Masasagot mo. Having or showing a modest estimate of one's value or importance, not arrogant or self-important. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Height.
Mali. Next. Ikaw. 5, 4, 3, 2,
Heavyweight.
1, 0. Naludaw na utak. 5, 4, 3. Anak? Humble, tama. Humble, tama. Tama pa si Heart eh.
Ayun na.
Galing nga. Makinig. Last na. Refers to practices and behaviors that maintain cleanliness and promote good health by preventing the spread of disease. 5, 4, ay, di alam.
Hygiene.
Hygiene. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
200 lang, oy. Bye-bye.